Is AI writing software useful? Have you ever wondered how technology can make studying easier and more effective? Today, we are going to tackle the question, is AI writing software useful? AI writing software refers to computer programs that use artificial intelligence to help create written content. These tools analyze large amounts of text data to produce human-like writing based on what you ask them. Some popular examples include ChatGPT, Google Bard, Jasper, and Quillbot. From a study hacks perspective, AI writing software can be quite helpful for students and learners in various ways. First, let's talk about drafting and brainstorming. These AI tools can generate ideas and organize your thoughts. This can make it easier to start writing assignments or projects, saving you time and effort. Next, we have revision and editing. AI programs can help improve your grammar and sentence structure. They offer suggestions to refine your writing, which can help you learn from your mistakes. This feedback can be especially useful when preparing essays or reports. Another area where AI can assist is research. AI tools can sift through information and summarize relevant points. This helps students gather material quickly and efficiently, making the research process less overwhelming. For those learning a new language or who may not have strong academic English skills, AI writing software can provide valuable feedback on word choice and grammar. This support makes writing more accessible for everyone. However, there are some important points to consider. AI-generated content is not always accurate or appropriate for your specific context. It is essential to critically evaluate the suggestions provided by AI rather than accepting them without question. Additionally, relying too much on AI for generating ideas can limit your own critical thinking and writing skills. It is important to maintain control over your work and ensure that your original thoughts shine through. Moreover, AI systems can reflect biases present in the data they were trained on. This can impact the diversity and inclusivity of the language produced, so it is something to keep in mind. Ethical use of AI is also crucial. Being transparent about using AI in your writing is essential, especially in academic settings. Students should follow guidelines and take responsibility for their work. In practical terms, students can use AI writing software as a supportive tool in their writing process. When clear goals or rubrics are provided, these tools can offer targeted feedback. They work best when combined with active learning strategies, like revising AI suggestions and explaining the changes made. Overall, AI writing software can be a useful aid for studying and writing when used thoughtfully. It can save time, improve writing quality, and support learning. However, it should complement your own efforts and critical thinking, not replace them.